Hello and welcome. This is Helauddin Ahmed. In this video, I am going to show you another illustration on joint venture accounts. In our previous video, I showed you the joint venture accounting system where the separate books of accounts kept by the joint venture. But when there is no separate books is kept by the joint venture, each co-ventures maintain a full records of accounts. That is, there is no separate books of accounts by the venture, but co-venture kept their accounts. Let's go to the illustration. Here, M and N, two co-ventures, enter into a joint venture for the purchase and sale of second-hand motor cars, agreeing to share profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. On January 15, 2017, M bought 5 cars for 43,000 rupees, and on January 20 he paid tax and insurance, that is rupees 1600. On January 31st, 2017, he sold these cars for 58,000 rupees, out of which he remitted 11,000 rupees to N and the balance deposited into his own bank account. On January 31st, 2017, N bought 3 cars for 36,000 rupees and he paid taxes and insurance for rupees 1400 and repair charges amounting to 2,000 rupees. He sold 1 car on February 2nd, 2017 for 14,000 rupees, which he paid into his own bank account. M then took over the other cars at a valuation of 26,000 rupees and the venture was closed on February 10, 2017. So we need to pass necessary journal entries in the books of M and as well as in the books of N, because each co-venture maintain a complete record of all the joint venture transactions. At first, we need to prepare 2 books, one for M and another for N. So let's go to the transactions. The first transaction was January 15, 2017, where M bought 5 cars for 43,000 on January 20. So this will be our journal in M records, that is joint venture account will be debit 43,000 and bank account will be credit. And also N will record like this: joint venture account debit 43,000 and to M account 43,000. And M will record this journal by this explanation, like being purchase of 5 second-hand motor cars, and N will write this explanation being cars purchased by M for 43,000 rupees. On January 20, M also paid tax and insurance for 1600 rupees. The journal will be like this: joint venture account will be debit 1600 and to bank account will be credit 1600, because being tax and insurance paid. And also record this journal like joint venture account will be debit 1600 to M account credit 1600, because being tax and insurance paid by M. On January 31st, 2017, M sold these cars for 58,000, out of which he remitted 11,000 rupees to N and the balance deposited into his own bank account. The journal will be like this in M's account, that is bank account will be debit 47,000 and N account will be credit 11,000 and the joint venture account will be credited 58,000, because sale of cars for 58,000 rupees, of which 11,000 rupees remitted to N and the balance deposited into bank. In the same way, N will record in his account like bank account debit 11,000 and M account debit 47,000 and the joint venture account will be 58,000. because sale of cars of 58,000 rupees by M and received 11,000 from that. On January 31st, 2017, N bought 3 cars for 36,000 and he paid tax and insurance for 1,400 and repair charge amounting to 2,000. For this we need 2 journal record in M account as well as N account. In M account, the joint venture account will be debited by 36,000 and N account will be credited by 36,000 because purchase of 3 cars for 36,000, and also there will be another journal, that is joint venture account for 3,400 and N account will be credited by 3,400 because tax and insurance and repairing cost paid by N, that is 1,400 rupees and 200 rupees respectively. In the same way, N will record in his journal, that is joint venture account will be debited 36,000 and bank account will be credited 36,000 because purchase of 3 cars for 36,000, and joint venture account will be debited 3,400 and bank account will be credited by 3,400 because tax and insurance and repairing cost paid by check. On February 2, 2017, M sold 1 car for 1,400 rupees which he paid onto his own bank account. So M will be record this transaction like this, that is N account will be debited 14,000 rupees and joint venture account will be credited by 14,000 rupees because a car was sold by N. On the other hand, N will record this transaction like this, that is bank account will be debit 14,000 rupees and joint venture account will be credited 14,000 rupees. Finally, M took over the other cars at valuation of 26,000 rupees and the venture was closed on February 10, 2017. So a couple of journal need to be recorded on the both of M journal and also N journal book. In M journal book, the record will be like this, that is purchase account will be debited 26,000 and the joint venture account will be credited 26,000 because 2 cars taken over for 26,000 for business. And also books of N, M account will be debited 26,000 and the joint venture account will be credited 26,000. The explanation will be 2 cars taken over for 26,000 rupees for business by M. So after this transaction, closing journal is necessary. As they are closed their venture at February 10, 2017, the record will be M journal is like this, that is joint venture account will be debited 14,000 and the profit and loss account will be credited 8,400 and N account will be credited by 5,600. Also there will be another journal, the N account will be debited by 20,000 and the bank account will be credited by 20,000. This journal will record it for settlement with N, that is final settlement. On the other hand, N will record the closing journal like this, joint venture account will be debited by 14,000 and the profit and loss account will be credited by 5,600 and the M account will be credited by 8,400. And this is the co-venture's share of profit. This journal will be recorded with this explanation, that is profit on venture credited to profit and loss account and M account in the ratio of 2:3. And the final settlement record will be like this, bank account will be debit 20,000 and M account will be credited by 20,000. So here one thing you should remember, that how we will get this amount, that is 14,000. This amount we will get by the posting of all the transaction to the particular ledger, and the balance of the joint venture account will be the 14,000 rupees, and this 14,000 rupees will be distributed as 3:2 ratio between M and N. And that's all for now. Thank you.